Okay, this is video 26. Okay, let's open up our game controller and at the step create UFO. Let's go ahead and just leave that at an I random. It seems like it doesn't make sense to have it not an integer. So if it's running through 0 to 2000 and UFO comes out, that makes more sense. So let's leave that at that. And on the bullet, the UFO bullet, let's have it hit the rocks too. So if it happens to shoot off, it'll hit a rock and basically do what your bullet would do. Okay, and then probably the next episode we'll have vengeance and we will have the ability to shoot down that UFO. So we'll add a collision, game, L rock, large rock. Where's it at? God, I'm blind. Control, code. Okay, so we'll say global. Actually, it should be exactly the same code as in the bullet. What do we got here? Yeah, we pretty much just need all this code. Copy it. Put it in here. We don't need the alarm 0. I don't think. Yeah, because all that does is recreate the ship. Okay. Okay, so in object bullet, let's go to M. We probably just need the same exact code minus the alarm 0. And we'll add event to the object UFO bullet. Collision, M rock. Take that code out. Okay, and then object bullet, S rock. We could have put this into a script. Let's copy that. And add event, collision, S rock. And yank out alarm 0 equals 1. No need for that. Okay. So all that's going to do is if it hits a rock, it's going to do the same thing. It's just going to break up the rocks. Which originally I didn't have that, but people were bitching about hiding behind a rock to protect yourself. Which is kind of a good idea. So let's see if this guy will pop out. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and put that code, or where's it at? Game control, step, create UFO. Just make it create. Let's see how well it works. It's still gonna shoot towards your ship, but if you're behind a rock, it should protect you. I guess I didn't change that either. Okay, let's change that in the fire also. Object UFO, shoot bullet, so it should be constantly shooting. I gotta get behind the rock. Oh, that was like a double shot it did. Come on. There it goes. See it? Okay. I'm pretty confident it's working. So, which is kind of a cool aspect to it. So, actually, let's go ahead and let's shoot back. Screw this. So it's gonna be in the ship controls. So let's go in the script, ship controls, ship fire. Oh wait, do I already have that? Okay. Okay, that's already ready to go. Okay, so we're gonna have to deal with the bullet. Have it detect. So here's our object bullet. We're gonna add event, collision, game object, UFO, control. Let's pay this bastard back. Okay, so within here we'll say alarm 0 equals 1. Because, so alarm 0, all it does is destroy itself. Instead of saying instance destroy, we're going to say alarm 0 equals 1. With other, meaning the UFO, instance destroy. And we'll also do an instance do we really need that? Let's not do this for now. I was gonna have an explosion there, but it doesn't make any sense. And then we'll say global dot score plus equals, we'll just make it 100 points. Wait, with other, wait, that's got to be within the with other. No, it doesn't. That's fine. With other instance destroy. If that's not there, it should work. Wait, what else is missing? Oh, alarm 0. Okay, let's give that a try. We're gonna fight back. Screw those damn aliens. Uh-oh. Oh, I called the score wrong. Score. I should do it. Okay, now we're gonna fight back. Okay, I'm gonna it's firing pretty fast. I'm going to game UFO, step, shoot bullet. I'm gonna go ahead and not have it shoot at me as often. Okay, so I do need, when I shoot it, it needs to explode. That's what that was all about. Okay. So, instance destroy. Where are we at here? Shoot bullet. That's not what we want. Oops. With other. Let's do this too. Let's add the speed equals 0. Instance create XY object explode. Let's try that. And that seems to be working. And he kicks my butt too. Okay, that's good. Now the next thing I think I want to do is add a shield for this ship. So let's add, create sprite, load. Where's my images? Sprite shield. And that's going to be centered. Shield. Okay, there's that. Let's go ahead and make this an object. Create object, object shield. We'll add the shield. Okay, so we got our object shield. And I think I'll just go ahead and build the shield before I actually add it in. So I'll create control code. Okay, do we have shield count? We don't have shield on. So let's add a variable. Global dot shield on equals false. Okay, so we got our shield on variable that we need to work with. Okay, on the create, let's say global dot shield on. Why did I type it like that? Equals true. Image alpha, because we're going to have it fade in, equals 0. If global dot sound on, this is going to be the sound of the shield, which we haven't brought in yet. Script sound, it makes kind of a hum sound shield, and it's going to repeat, but let's bring that in. Sound sound shield. Sound shield. Oops. Sound shield. Okay, so it's basically going to do the same thing the tracker does, only this one's going to follow the tracker, because just in case the ship has been destroyed. So that's the point of the tracker. Dot X, because the tracker really doesn't interact with anything, but the ship, once it's gone, will cause problems if I was to use the ship, because who knows when the ship gets killed. Ship tracker dot Y. Okay, and this is just the creation. So and also we got to say if global dot shield count. Remember we have 5. Remember we set that up in the GUI. Is larger than 0. and global dot shield count minus equals 1. So we've reduced the shield count at this point on the creation of the shield. Okay. Let's see. Now we need a step. Step. Okay. Okay, once again, if global dot ship alive, if the ship is alive, then basically the same thing as in the create. We want to maintain that stuff right there. X and Y needs to stay the same as the ship tracker. But we're going to add something else. I'm going to have the shield rotate around the ship. Image angle plus equals 5. Okay. Else, it's just kind of a stupid little effect. Okay, so if the ship gets killed, then we will destroy this. So if you had your shield on and your ship got blown up, then the shield, which the shield's protecting your ship, but there may be a little delay there. Just a safeguard. And once again, we started out with an alpha 0, so we gotta fade it in. Which I could even do that on a different one. Yeah, screw it. It's not a whole lot of code. Image alpha is smaller than 1. Image alpha plus equals, we'll do 0.05. I think I'll just call that good. Oh, we could call to our script. That's what we can do. So where's our script here? Everything's getting kind of messy here. Is that a miscellaneous script? Fade in. Yeah, let's do that. So script fade in, and we need the object, which is self. Speed will be 0.05 and amount will be 1. Hey, good thing we wrote that. Okay, so my time's running up out here at this point, so I'm gonna let that be for now, and we'll finish that off in the next one. Okay, so we're working on the object shield, which is pretty cool. I like shields. I like to be protected, feel safe. Alright guys, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.